who is the world's biggest options trader? Do you know? Yeah, many people don't know. It's actually Warren Buffett. Yeah. So many people, they did not know Buffett trades options because he never talks about it. But if you actually read his annual report every year, you know that he does a lot of options trading. And just like me, he mainly uses one main strategy. What does Warren Buffett do? He sells put options on the S&P 500 index, and he sells put options on companies he wants to own. Yeah. So for example, many years ago, he wanted to buy Coca-Cola as cheap as possible. And Coca-Cola was selling at $50. So does he just buy it from the market? No. Does he wait for the price to drop to buy it? Not all the time. What he does is that he sells put options on Coca-Cola so that he gets paid premium every month, waiting for the stock to drop to the level he wants. So he's paid to wait for the stock to come to him. So in the end, when he buys Coca-Cola, he buys it at a very big discount. All right. So how does this work? Later, I'll show you step by step. During the great financial crisis of 2008, when the market collapsed, people panicked, right? And everyone was buying insurance on the S&P 500. What was Buffett doing? Buffett was the one selling all the insurance to these people. In fact, he sold a total of $4.9 billion of premiums. He collected 4.9 billion of premiums, right? And eventually, when the market rebounded, the insurance that he sold expired, and he pocketed $4.9 billion. Okay, so this really inspired me to be a insurance seller in the market.
Catch all Black Market 2025 replays, free for a limited time only. Get instant access now